Hello, today we will talk about indexing. Indexing meaning split text, split string or text, or get one letters from a sequence. The simplest sequence in Python is a string. So if we make a variable named text and put on it Python, what if I wanted to get one letter from the variable text? Say print and write the variable name and put square brackets. Let's say put a number 0 and see what will return. Let's run the file. It gives me the letter B. Okay, so as the sequence is sorted, the B at 0, Y 1, T 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I make this again, we give print. Let's put number 3. 3 is supposed to return H. Let's run the file. It returns back H. Okay. So I will put any index of any text, it will return the letter. Okay, let's see what if I want to, I have large text and I want to get the last character. So I will put -1. Let's clear and run the file. It gives me N. What if I wanted to get the H2 but from the end? So the N is -1, the O is -2, the H is supposed to be -3. Let's see. Let's run the file. It gives me H. Okay. What if I give him a number larger than the text? So the text here index is, the last character is in index 5. What about if I give index 10? Let's clear and show what will return. It give me an error. String index out of range. The index number 10 is not in the text he gives. Okay, let's assume that we have a larger text. And I want to return back a multiple characters, not just one character. I will make the same text and square brackets. Let's make the sequence here too. Python will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the space text. Take an index of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I want to get the word Python. I will start from 0 and end at 6. The last index will not include, so the last index is the space. He will give the Python without the space. Let's click and run the file again. it gives me Python. Okay, what if I want to get the word programming? I will start at index 7 and put the last index of the last character, that's 17. But if I write 17, it will not include the J, so I have to write 18. Let's run the file. It gives me programming. Okay, there is a shortcut for that. I will make the same but with another way. Okay, if I want the text from the beginning, I will not include the first character. So if I want Python, it's the from beginning, I can remove the 0 and put it and make it empty, and it will give me the same result. Also at the beginning, at the end, if I want to get the last character, I will write the start index and I will remove the last index of the last character. Let's see what it will happen. It gives me Python and programming, so I can write it like that or like that. Okay, let's comment that. What if I want to get one character and escape one character? So I will start from first and get the last number and put another one is about step. So if I want to get B and remove Y and get T and remove H, I will write 2. So it will be like this: start, end, and step. Let's run it. It gives me B, T, O, B, T, O, B, and skipped Y, T, and skipped H, O, and skipped N, space, and skipped B, R, and O. So run. Okay. The shortcut for this too is I can remove the start because it's the start of the index. I can remove the end because it's the whole text, and just keep the step. Let's run it again. It gives me the same result. What if I want to reverse the text but in this way? Okay, I will remove, because I want to reverse the whole text, I will remove the start and the end, and I will write the step by -1. When I write the step 2, it gives me by and remove Y, T and remove H, and so on. But if I write -1, it will get from the last character. It will give me G, N, I, M, M, and so on. Let's run the file and see. It gives me Python programming but in reverse. What if I want to get some letters or some letters from the end? Okay, let's print text I will put start. Let's suppose I want to get this 5 letters. Okay, I will get them from the end, so I will minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the start will minus 6. The last character will be minus 1. But if I write minus 1, it will remove the last character. Let's see what will happen. It return the 5 characters we want. Let's start from there. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, because the last index will not include, so minus 1 will not include it in there. If I want to add the last number, I will remove the minus 1. So let's run it. It will give me the last character. Now let's move something else. Let's move to something else. We'll talk about concatenation. If we have a variable greeting as a value of hello, and another variable name that has the value of Ahmed, and I want to merge the both text, so I can write the message and put greeting plus comma plus name. Let's print. Sorry, print message. Give me hello, comma Ahmed. So I used the plus sign to concatenate more two or more strings. Okay. What if I have a variable called love equal and I used the multiplication, love multiplication by 3. Let's see what will return. It returned this. So here it used multiplication to repeat the text. Okay. We said before that Python is case sensitive. So if I write print Python with capital letter equal Python with a small letter, it should give me false. Give me false. What if I check? Let's comment this. Let's check what if apple smaller than banana. how he will compare two text. Here he will give me true. Sorry, I didn't save the file, so let's save and clear. It give me true, but how he compared two text. He get the first letter from both strings A and B, so he found the number of the letter is less than the other number of the letter, so give me true. That's how he compares two text. In next video we will talk about string methods. Thank you and see you in next video.